Hi, I'm Reen from Embroidery Garden, and I'm very excited to be coming back to Southern California to teach this year. I'll be at 2 of the Sewing Machine Plus locations in November. We're going to do 6 fun, creative, in-the-hoop projects, and I'm going to give you tips, tricks, and you're going to learn some techniques you're probably not very familiar with. I'm going to be at the San Marcos location November 20th and 21st, and I'll be in San Diego November 23rd and 24th. So sign up now, and I'll see you at Sewing Machines Plus in November.
Purchase your new machine today by visiting SewingMachinesPlus.com or by visiting one of our retail locations.